Yo,
Yo, what's good? What's good? What's good?
what's good, everybody?
Oh man, I just put it in the chat. Let give it a minute. Let YouTube put this out there. What's good, Jay? G in the building. We
What's
got
good,
Strat King
people?
in the building. What's good? What's good? What's good? Who else in the building, man? Drop a comment. We'll see who else we got live. What's good? What's good? What's good? Give it a minute. Give it a minute.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. So, Dre, what's good, man? How was your day, brother?
Fantastic, brother. Good. My type of days. Yeah. Yes,
Facts.
sir.
Matter of fact, not even that's you know what? So tonight, man, I want to do something a little bit different.
Hmm.
Um, because it is the end of the month, end of the quarter. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we'll talk about how the market performed throughout the month. Kind of just recap September a little bit. Talk about how we looking at October, and then we'll go from there. And then if you're looking at anything live, we'll do that.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
gonna just say, man, I'm probably taking it easy because I don't this whole government shutdown shit. I don't know. I feel like some news might come out of nowhere, and so
Hmm.
I'm gonna take it easy. But with that being said, though, yeah, how was September for you? Shit, I couldn't even think.
September was slow. Um, a lot at the beginning, early in the month was up. Then, like towards the end, I kind of like took it back.
Mm-hmm.
I working on new projects, new stuff that I'm doing. So taking it easy. See, because price just being yada
Pumping,
over here.
nigga.
Yeah, yeah,
that's what Price been doing, pumping. Let's
yeah,
keep it a G, dog. This it was crazy. So
yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna pull up my screen so that way I can add some narration to this. But I mean, to your like, let's just kick it off with this, bro. First of all,
Mhm.
we had a positive, like, not only did we have a positive third quarter, we had a smoking third quarter, bro.
Yeah.
Um, I'm gonna go and put
Woof.
like the charts on. Um, so like I'm gonna use SPY and I'll use the ETFs, right? So SPY was up for this quarter 7.82%.
Hmm.
Then you had the Qs up 8%, almost 9% this quarter. You had the Dow up 5% this quarter, and then you had IWM up 12% this quarter. So that is basically September, July, or September, August, and July, right?
Yeah.
Then look at September, which is everybody always say, "Oh, it's supposed to be the worst month," right?
Yeah.
Bruh, SPY was up 3.2% for the month. The
Ooh.
Qs, oh my god, up 5%, bro. That means the NQ, and then I'll pull up the futures market. Then you had the Dow up
Hmm.
1.68. You had IWM up 2.89, right? So if I go to the futures, um, again, you had the ES was up 2.95. You had the NQ up 4.82. You had Dow, the YM up 1.36. And then, of course, you had the Russell up 2.52. So, I mean, bruh, talk about a smoking month. Like, yeah, this was not the month to be short.
Nah.
Shit, this want the quarter to be short if you really think about it, bro. This is
Yes,
crazy.
sir. Yeah, man.
Um, so yeah, man. I would say overall for me, how the month of September went. Um,
Hmm.
Options wise, great, fantastic, right?
Yeah.
Futures wise, yeah, man. I don't yeah, man. I blew through two accounts or through
Mm.
I blew through two combines. Not a and yeah, bro, it's crazy because if I would have just stuck with, and this is where I probably just, this is one of the things I think I need to focus on coming into October is really just sticking with one index. My issue is I like certain setups. So if I see the setup, I'll be wanting to trade it. But that's what got me in trouble in September
Hmm.
is I thought the setup was there, and then like I said, like I thought the Russell would have kept pushing throughout the month of September, but it started to get real choppy towards the end of the month,
Hmm.
kind of chopped me up
Yeah.
there. Whereas
Yeah.
the
Slow
ES,
down.
yeah, and really when I think about it, I should have just, if I was looking to go short, I should have just been shorting the Dow and
Hmm.
the goddamn Russell because it was really the NQ that was keeping everything together.
Afloat. Yeah. Yeah. Baby
You
guns
know what I
through.
mean? It was like that's what was really
Yeah.
keeping everything together, yo. So
Hmm.
I think I'm gonna try my hardest, right? I need to be a bit more disciplined. I'm gonna just try to stick with one.
Yeah.
But that got me in trouble. But again, futures is still something that I'm trying to get used to and learning. And intraday trading ain't my best suit. But however, the options wise though, I was good. That kept me in the game.
Yes, sir.
That's my game right there. That long term game that's where I'm at. Um, so I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
So September was a mixed bag. I mean, options wise, I was great. Uh, Futures wise, I could be doing a lot better. So yeah, man. But so with that being said, brother, I want to go over here real quick and talk a little bit about some of the things that the market just was able to trade. And if you get into anything, let me know, Dre. I'll put your screen up. But I need to go ahead and hide that card. And yeah. So man, when we think about this third quarter, we navigated some pretty big things, right? We navigated Jackson Hole. We navigated a tariff deadline. We navigated the tax cuts. We navigated the interest rate decision, right? We got a rate cut in September. Uh, we navigated some geopolitical risks. We navigated the Argentina bailout risk. We navigated, um, inflation and the economic data. Okay, here's a good one, right? We navigated the unemployment market, right? Or the labor market where we got those big job revisions, and things went negative, and yet and still the market pushed to all-time highs, right? So, when you think about the Q3, there were a lot of landmines, and yet and
Yeah.
still, huh?
Yeah. A lot of landmines. The
A lot
market
of
still.
landmines, and yet the market still, did its thing, man. Still did its thing. So, um, Q3, how you feeling, bro? And I'm gonna pass the screen over to you a little bit real quick so we can see what you're checking out. But uh yeah, Q3, how you feeling, bro? What
Q3. Well, the thing with me, I had to wait until Friday.
okay. Yep.
I
And
had
that's
to wait
right.
NFP.
Well, if we get this government shutdown, you might not get no data.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, that's
Uh,
the crazy thing.
that's crazy. Then that's
But I
crazy.
know I
I
feel you
don't
so
know.
Friday. But go ahead, keep going. My bad.
Yeah. So for me, after I get the NFP and I see the range they're trying to go for, if they want to go and make the pullback that everybody's expecting at this point, but after NFP is created, that's when I know. what direction we might head. So I gotta be a little patient at this time until Friday. I mean, if we don't get no data, then it's a new risk. I don't know how the market gonna react to this shutdown stuff. I really don't know.
Well, I gotta say, I wasn't surprised that the market pushed up today because I
Hmm.
figured they probably want to close out the month and the quarter strong.
Yeah,
Um, and usually the government shutdown stuff it don't
it's
never be a
BS.
big
Yeah,
deal, right? You know what I mean?
yeah.
They usually have that midnight deal, so that's why I'm
Mhm.
like, man, I'm gonna wait till midnight to maybe take a trade. Once midnight hit, uh, we'll
So the
see.
deadline is tomorrow,
The deadline's tonight at midnight.
tonight. Oof.
Yeah, so yeah, that's why I'm like,
Alright.
yeah, that's why I'm like, I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna wait and
Yeah,
see what's up.
yeah, I had to.
Um, but yeah, so yeah, I wasn't surprised at the push.
Hmm.
So it'll
Yeah,
be interesting to see how these next 3 days go, though.
exactly. Yeah. So let's say what happened tonight, and when we wake up tomorrow, but we came right off the gates yesterday, punch, boom, on Monday. This was
Yeah.
crazy. I'm like, okay, we bounced off last week, previous 50%. We open right there and just straight up punch, push. Now
Yeah.
we went to test last week, Tuesday range, right here, that we never test last week. So, and we put back the 10 o'clock reversal that you like. It's Monday. Today
Hmm.
was a little
It
rangy.
was nasty.
Yeah, I mean, this is my type of action right here. I I like it. Um, so once we came down into Sunday rain and we held at 10 o'clock,
Mm-hmm.
I got long. I was short into it going into it. We got short,
Mm-hmm.
looking for that low first, making the
Mm-hmm.
low day, and then push. So I played both sides of the market. This afternoon, I missed this rally right there. This I was not in the charts,
Yeah,
so
that
I
shit was
missed
crazy,
all.
bro. That shit was wild. At the end of
Yeah.
the day, it wasn't wild. It was wild, but it wasn't wild. You know what I mean? Like it was one of
Hmm.
those where I was waiting for it to happen. I'm like, I know y'all gonna squeeze this thing. You
Right. Yeah.
know what I
I
mean?
would have loved to be in the because that was look at those candles in my chart at 15 minutes.
Yeah,
It
that shit was
said it
it
put a
was crazy.
hammer in it. Let's go.
Yeah, put a hammer and
Yeah.
we was out of there. Yep.
Yeah. Hmm. Right
Yep.
on that Sunday range.
Mm. Mm.
Yep. Inside. So we held it. This is semi bullish for now.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So if we held through all night and nothing, we come out with some deal last minute. We start pushing. Then
So okay, so I got
got
some
hot.
updates. So in the chat, Strat King said no if Schumer sent the Dems home, so it's happening. I'm assuming that is I guess he's saying that the government shutdown is going to happen. Um, Carl
Hmm,
was good. Chat was good.
that's good.
Larry say he think they might run it up until Friday. He's got some aggressive targets. He's looking for 25 150 and 25 350 before NFP.
Damn.
That's
All
what I
right.
said. I said, damn, he got some aggressive targets. I'm gonna just say
Uh,
this. I'll say this right now. I'm looking for a red October, bro.
yeah.
I think it's every yeah, man. I think we have to see a red October. I could go through the countless number of reasonings and triggers and signals. At the end of the day, it's been an aggressive ass run. And I just keep it simple. If we want a or if there here's my thing. If the end of the year target on the S&P is 7,000, it doesn't leave much run room between now and then.
And then
That's literally 100 points a month. That's gonna suck. Like all we talking about is the S&PX doing 100 points a month. If we had 6,700, it only take 300 points to get to 7,000. That's 100 points. That is trash. We need a better upside. We need we need to work that out a little bit. So I
Yeah.
want to see a red October. Like, give me a
Mm.
red October, so then that way, it's like a slingshot into November and December. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? So I don't want to see. I'll be honest. I don't want to see no more. Like, this it, man. Yo, like, Bulls, y'all killed it. You know? So I want to see a red October. Get all that shit. Get that out the way. Um Striking said, I think they waiting for midnight, but ain't nobody from the blue side to vote. Okay, got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. He said, that's what I want. Nice move down long as it kicks off. Man, hell no, Larry. I'm just gonna put it that way. If it hit them targets, what the nah. Say that shit, bruh. Say that for November, December. Yeah,
Yeah.
that,
Yeah. The Bix is quiet.
well,
Um.
okay. Let me show you something, Dre, because I don't think the VIX is as quiet as it may seem, bro. It's quiet, but if people paying attention,
I mean, right now.
huh?
Right now, like at this moment.
But check this out though. Look how it's moving, bro. I gotta put it on the line a line chart so you can see
Ooh.
this.
I see the light bulb, lightning bolt. The
So
W.
low, high, lower,
I.
high. You know what I mean? Like
Hmm.
it's like you said, it's quiet, but the structure is putting in.
Hmm.
All it's gonna take is one day, and we could get a major spike.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And we coming into October. This is to me, October is the seller's last chance to do any type of damage. Because if you don't put to that point, if you don't pull this bitch back in October, man, I'm not even. We might be going higher than 7,000 at the end of the year, bro. Because like again, the risk reward to the upside is so skewed. We're literally talking about if 7,000 is the target, we got 300 points left. That's nothing. Shit, I think we just did 300 points in September. So that's gonna be like nasty, slow chop. That shit's gonna suck. That shit is gonna be terrible.
Yeah. And I also learned something about the money on the sideline. Yeah.
Which
That
one?
shit. I learned something like
You talking about like all the cash on the sideline?
why is it so high right now? Yeah. Yeah, it's
What they
for a
say?
reason. It's so when the money is yielding higher, people park their money to just yield 4% free. So they don't even
Yeah,
care. So that
yeah,
money, once that drop, that's when that money start moving out.
yeah.
So it's gonna stay as long as they yielding higher, that money is gonna stay parked. So that money is
Mm,
not coming into the market anytime soon. Yeah.
well,
So
damn.
yeah.
Well, interesting stuff, brother.
Yes, sir.
All right, man. You looking at anything? Jay said, just let it drop 400 points. That's all I'm asking for, Jay. Can we get 400 points, bro? That's it.
I think you can.
Huh?
I think we can. I just don't like how they push this afternoon, telling me something a lot different, bro. Because this we track the close, bro.
Yeah.
This close strong as hell.
But at the same, so all right, you're right. But I guess this the caveat for me. It's the
Mm.
end of the month, end of the quarter.
Facts. Yeah.
So
Okay. Makes
I'm
sense.
like, I took it with a grain of salt. You know what I mean?
This
Um,
specific day. On another day, you be like, nah, this
yeah,
close.
any other day I would be like, okay, that was yeah. But because
I
it's the
got
end of the month, you got quarterly rebound. It's a lot of nuances that go into how we close. You know what I'm saying? So you got quarter.
Makes sense.
This was the end of the quarter where they rebalance and this and that.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Makes sense.
so don't get me wrong, you definitely right. You know what I'm saying? Like it was a strong close.
Mm-hmm.
At the same time, I'm like, some of it felt like nah,
Mm.
I don't know,
Suspect.
man. Well, and you gotta think about it like this too. Look at how aggressive it's sold soon as the market closed, though.
Yeah.
Right? Like soon as the market closed,
Yep.
it dropped
Yeah.
like 10 points.
Yeah.
So I was
Yeah.
like, we'll
Hey,
see.
Car, you got any levels on your side? Let's
Carl
see.
said painting the tape. Yep, I agree. If the government don't shut down, it may push up more. Well, Larry, they is apparently it's official, bro. That's what Strat King is saying. Like the Democrats going home. Like it's going to happen. Black Swan said that's the equity premium era Tate talks about. Dre. Not sure who CSC Spill 99 is. Did
That's
you do
still?
anything? Did you? I didn't touch the EA play. Did you touch it, Dre?
Nah.
Yeah, I ain't. Yeah,
Nah.
I
I
ain't
heard
touch.
about it, but I didn't. Nah.
Yeah.
It's not my best swing year this year, so I ain't messing with it.
NQ only 100 points basically from retesting highs. Exactly. So fall. Like go ahead and get that trap. That's them. That'd be the perfect ones. Oh, we just only 100 points, and then
Mm.
whoop, rug pull their ass. It
Yeah.
wasn't as aggressive as it normally was. Yeah. They
Mhm.
went home to jump on team. Carl said he outside with his boys, so check in a bit.
Oh, all right, but thank you, Car. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the trap is the Bears. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Right. We had that first little, we had the little 3 day,
Hmm.
um, that little 3 day sale, kind of like what was it, like last week? Yeah, last week. Once we hit once SPX hit 69, 66.99, we pulled back for
Yeah.
3 days and then it bounced right up. Now, here's the thing though, Larry. It could be creating a lower high.
Hmm.
It could be creating a lower high,
Right
especially
now.
on the ES. So it could be creating this lower high where we had this move down, it's bouncing up, and we really need to be taking out this high, if it's really going to be that bear trap. Because if this bad boy starts to flush back down,
Hmm.
this could be setting up for a lower high. So we're going to see. We're going to see. Yep, yours too. That's the NQ, Dre.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, see, we got that move down. And today, what I
Hmm.
what I don't like about the NQ is that it didn't take out yesterday high, and the ES did.
Hmm. Okay. Oh, so Okay. Diverging
Yeah,
right there
yeah,
on the daily. Gotcha.
yeah.
Woo.
If you go look at the ES on
So
the
it
daily, go look at the ES on the daily versus the NQ. Look at
right
that.
here.
ES went and took out that high from yesterday.
Yeah.
NQ
So right
didn't.
here. Shout out. Okay, I see what you mean.
Yeah. So I
And
don't.
then
Yeah, I don't. Ain't.
right here, guys. Right, that's divergent. That's
Yeah,
taking out.
I don't. Ain't.
So what that means, I learned. How about YM? Let's see. YM.
It's I don't think the YM did it either.
YM. They're not. No.
Mm-mm.
Okay. And Russell,
And the Russell,
eight.
hell no. Go look at the Russell. It's really looking bad. That's why I need to. I gotta, the Russell. I'm divorcing her, bro. I'm just
Yeah,
gonna trade IWM on that. That's all I'm gonna do. I
yeah,
just trade my options on that. I can't fuck with that on the futures, man. That shit is terrible.
yeah. So when once you pick one, you ain't not gonna mess with
I
that.
mean,
Only
Main Bay is ES. Main Bay is
yeah.
ES. I just be stepping out on her sometimes. And every time I do, she make me pay for it.
Mm-hmm. Damn,
But
this dollar's terrible, bro.
you said who's that?
The dollar,
The dollar?
yeah, shit sucks.
Okay, got some more questions. How far ES from that high? The high on the ES was 67. Yeah, shoot, give me 1 second, Larry.
The high,
The high is
67.43, 50.
I got 67.56.
You mean like the high, like monthly high, or this high on Tuesday high?
The monthly high,
What
the
high?
monthly high.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
right there. Yeah,
56,
67.56.
75. Yeah,
Huh?
67, 56, 75.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yep. And so we are right now, Larry, we are roughly 31, a half a percent, 31 points, half a percent away.
Hmm.
Just to answer that question, Eagle Eye say is the Dow is going down to 781. What is I think is Dow going to 781 is the question.
Is it
781.
the Dow?
Yeah,
Se-
781. I'm not sure. Oh, I see why they picking that number.
Why?
It looks like that's like last Wednesday. Hold on, I share my screen.
Hmm.
Because it looks like 781 would be up in this area, like taking these highs. I'm
Yeah.
assuming. Um,
Mm.
I don't know. Eagle
Shit
eyes.
could drop right here.
Yeah. Uh, my whole thing, family, is midnight to me is where we gonna find out what's up because
Hmm.
I don't know. This government shutdown stuff could be a little tricky. Not only that, I think we got private payroll tomorrow, and we got ISM manufacturing PMI. So got a little bit of data too. He said ES and NQ had SMT at the lows.
Who said that?
Strat King.
Mm-hmm. Strike.
Can
You
you
like
do?
S&T?
He said, "Can you do future with?" Said, "I never tried futures."
What?
What you? If that's a stock, or if that's a stock, nah, you can't do futures with a stock, brother. Double top. Mm, it's possible, King Rome, but we'd have to get double top, lower high, whichever one. ES been taking levels easier than NQ for sure. Chat for sure. The good thing is the previous quarter high is going to be all-time high for everything pretty much. Yep. And then not too much dress on SMT.
Right. Yeah. I've been hearing S&Ts a lot lately, bro. Like, I guess that's a new swag in the streets. Yeah, ICT came out with some new shit today.
Yeah, I heard, but
What they call, let me see if I find the name. Hold on. They were macking him, but yeah, suspension block.
yeah, I heard. What did I man? Yeah, we good on that, bro.
Suspension black, bro. What's going on now? Yo, yeah, man. My ICT days are far over. Yeah, man. I'm sorry, man. Like he's the goat, no doubt. But that's it. I went through his stuff.
My man said roadblock is next. I'm watching when this over. Something about a suspension block. Yeah,
Mm, yeah.
I'm good, man. Yeah, I don't.
Um,
I don't think we really gonna get much movement, right? Tonight, man.
I
Um,
doubt it. No, market quiet.
yeah.
Check this out.
Not my PDF, bro.
For sure.
Yeah, I don't really see the market, again, like I think we might see some action, around midnight though.
For sure. Yeah. Imagine a deal last minute. We be here tomorrow, bro. But easy. New highs.
Well, let me see if there's any. I mean, oh, Strat King, is there any chance of a deal happening? I mean, he said they sent him home. Let me go. Let me see. I would assume something that we would see something.
I don't see nothing.
I think it would just be the perfect excuse. Shut the shit down for one day, so you can get a quick little.
Three,
Remember the
five.
trend that the first day of the month we've been having like pretty. Actually, I went back and looked and back tested. I think it was August and September. They the very first day of the month we tested the prior month 50%, and then after that it was go go go.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So to that point, I would just say that would
Let me see.
shut this shit
Yeah.
down for one day, and you get a 1 day dip, and if that's what it's gonna be, that's what it's gonna be.
And that would be around. Let me see. Yeah. I mean, September huge, bro.
It was a big month, man.
Like,
Oh,
let's see.
okay, Lil J breaking. The government set to shut down overnight after Senate blocks funding extension. Democrats largely voted against the Republican measure, setting up the first shutdown since Trump's first term. All right, that's two people that done said this thing is over, bruh. Or I won't say it's over, but we shutting down. um, they said they were sent home. Yeah, I mean, look, you and Lil J have said that, and I'm reading right now where yeah, it's basically saying they ain't getting no deal, bruh. At least not tonight.
Hmm. But let me see. Yeah.
Facts, Strat King. The market not right until CNN. Exactly. We got to get it on CNN or CNBC. We need to see that little red. Doo-doo-doo-doo.
Well, if we get below 740, it's a wrap, bro.
For what you what's the level?
740s. If we get
24?
below Tuesday,
24,000?
yeah, 24 740s. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I got you. 740. Got it.
If we do not hold this right here, well, yeah, 720, 720s
Got it.
is, yes, is going at least to 560s. And 560 don't hold, and
Yeah.
yeah. But that will be me see. That's 100 points, 0.40%, and here will be 1.12%.
Word.
1.12%. Yeah.
That's well 1%. And I mean, that's look, bro. That's what we've been. That's what the market has been willing to give. That's about it.
And we usually come to the here
Cozy
every
baby
week.
in the building. What's good? Uh,
Hey,
go ahead. My bad, Dre. I didn't mean to cut you off.
that's all right. Usually come around this level, and then 1.5.
Let's see what we got. King Row say multiple Senate Democrats break with the party and vote to vote to keep the government open. Okay. Those are oh shit. The Democrat Party is crumbling. So it looks like there's a few. Fetterman basically a Republican. He been voting red since Trump came in, so that ain't surprising. Philly voting him out next month. Again, Lil J, CNN breaking. Government shutdown appears inevitable after Senate sinks funding proposals with deadline
Hmm.
hours away. Ah, my gosh, Strat Soldier, what's good, bro?
What
Yep.
what's
Appreciate you
poppin'?
tapping in. Yeah. So, he said that one. So, Lil J said that one was from CNN. Let me go look. Let's go see CNN. I feel like they just gonna keep saying, "Oh, is." I feel like they about to come in on some last minute quarterback shit. CNN said, "Go home. It's over." We gonna see, man. Key. Oh, I mean, the votes failed, making midnight shutdown all but certain. All right, we gonna see, man. I'm gonna stay up till midnight just to see, yo.
Damn.
I mean, I ain't gonna be like looking at a computer and shit. I'll probably watch some TV, but I'm gonna stay up till midnight.
Oh, my computer's wilding.
Froze?
Yeah. Yeah, I can see my screen.
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah. So we could pull back to around 24,680. If nothing crazy happened, that could be the range for tomorrow. You see some what's up?
Larry, you see his comment?
Nah.
He said Zay gonna be right there ready to press the button. Yeah, either way, sell or buy, depending on what these dudes do.
Hmm.
But go ahead, Dre. What you were saying?
So I can see us going to 24 7 680s this week. Man,
Yeah.
even tomorrow, bro.
Let me
Could
ask you
get
something, Dre. When you when we get a new month, you don't you even all right. Well, let me preface the question this way. When we have a weekly candle that includes a monthly switchover, you stay, you don't like refresh it, you just keep everything as is.
yeah. Mhm.
Got it.
Yeah.
Bet. Uh let's see. He said staying up till midnight will be like staying up watching the Packer Dallas game. Ah, I didn't watch that game, but saw that it ended in a tie.
Yeah, that.
Cozy got a question for you, Dre. She said, "What's the
Mhm.
indicator called again? The one that shows Sunday, Tuesday boxes. I removed it and can't find it."
The one on my screen right now
Yes, I think so.
is called high time frame random. Mm, Random HTF.
Yeah, we still need the NFP candle and FOMC candle. Correct. Black Swan said, I wonder how much of an effect Tesla numbers will have. Uh,
Mm.
I don't know. We're gonna see. This week is distortion. The true open will be next week. I agree, Strat King.
Yeah,
For me, man, when I have weekly candles that have a monthly switchover, I always like to look at things when we got that first full week of whatever that month is. So like you said, like next week is that first full week of October. For me.
well, it's even better than that way. Yeah, NFP is gonna be done.
Huh?
So we're gonna NFP is gonna be set. So
Yeah, yeah, yep.
it's gonna be more better, more cleaner.
Correct. Yeah, buddy. Yeah,
Mm.
buddy.
Yes, sir. We got 8 o'clock in 2 minutes. Let's see if we get some crazy movement.
Yeah, I was say let's see if we get some movement. Do we I don't know. Um yeah. I don't this
Mhm. Yeah, we could come in a sec. Yep. See.
what if NFP send us back to NFP September? Lord Jesus.
Who said that? Larry? Larry Bear? What?
Nah, that's Strat King.
Uh, hey, Strat, you be
Larry,
on that.
Larry bullish.
Yeah, Larry.
Larry went upside first.
Mm. Hmm. Yeah, I can't. Next week I have very more. I need more data first. Let's see what we get. Yes, sir. Yeah, gonna 1 minute. Let's see, 45 seconds.
I'm telling you, bro. If any you this how we gonna know. He said I want upside first so that the downside is legit, not a tease.
Hmm.
I see. I mean, shit, any downside gonna be a tease, bro. We ain't gonna get but so much. That shit about to be very limited, Larry.
Here we go.
We at
14,
8 o'clock.
14 seconds. 10 seconds.
Brashad said I'm looking for an inside month and quarter signals and reversals tonight. However, I would like to see that as well. Um, Earnings start in October. Yeah, 2 weeks away. That's facts.
Hmm.
Downside needed all the wicks and everything and left behind. Yeah. See, and that's another thing. I'm like, bro, you can't get no pullback before earnings season. Like y'all just gonna run this bitch in the earnings season. That's wild, me, bro.
Yeah. How the bets doing lately? I haven't seen the
Still good.
bets.
Well, I think they had a down day today, but still
Yeah.
good.
Healthcare was popping, right? I
Sure.
heard
Who?
healthcare.
Yeah,
Lily.
they got a nice pump today for sure. They got a
Yeah,
very nice
Lily.
pump.
I heard some news on Lily.
Yeah. It was all about
Mer-
the it was about the what Trump, what he said or what he did. Earnings season might jumpstart the pullback. We're gonna see. Maybe earnings will be the pullback. I've been thinking that too, Strat King. Y'all absolutely right. Like if we just keep running in the earnings, October. I'm gonna just say this. For me, I think October is about to be very tricky. So to Strat King or not Strat King, to my boy Strat Soldier's point, very much so I'm being trying to be as patient as I can in the first half of this month because we'll see how that plays out.
Mm.
Maybe they let Apple clap us for once. Apple been on a nice little 2 month, you know what I mean, 2 month go. The 30th chart on the third, I'm guessing that's a 30-minute chart on NQ. Looks like a potential cup and handle. All right, we'll see. Again, like I said, man, y'all, I don't really think this market is gonna do but so much until 12 o'clock, bro. And I'm gonna keep saying that, like,
My boy's on 12 o'clock.
bro, it's not gonna do nothing till 12 o'clock, bro. This shit is gonna just chop, probably be in the same little spot. And then once 12 o'clock hit, we'll see some movement, bro.
You were. Give me one
My
second, bro.
boy Trash, he said, "What are we what are we watching?" Let's see. Yeah, September was supposed to be red, but it's been so newsy. They doing everything to keep the market green. Absolutely, bro. Uh, absolutely, and that's why. And so, Strat Soldier. That's why I'm like everybody. I won't say everybody. I'll say a good majority of market participants thought that we would have a red September or at least some type of pullback in September. We didn't get it. So for me, I feel like it's a setup for a shout out. Is it Drake who be saying it? Somebody be saying red October. I just think we're gonna have a red October. And here's another thing to think about or to consider. Most significant crashes or flash crashes have happened in October. Right. So I think that's a little something that they can pull off. Not a lot of people be remembering that most crashes actually happen in October. So they want 12 because everybody else was asleep. No, that's just the deadline, bro. Chop City. Yeah, I know, Jay. You was one of the few bullish folks, bro. That's why I said not everybody. I said not everybody. uh we are in one of the we in one of those years, we in one of those off years since April where seasonality has been off its natural course. Yeah, I wouldn't even, I mean, seasonality is definitely, it's whatever, right? They could switch that up. And to your point, Cozy, I think here's another consideration. I think seasonality, the retail investor is much more informed. And
Mm-hmm.
so now that we're much more informed, I would say ever since about 2020, maybe 2020, 2022, they've really started to switch seasonality up. It really hasn't been the same since then. So yeah, Red October is a movie. Yeah, but I've heard Red October from somewhere before. It might be Red now. I've heard it's either like a rapper or somebody be saying Red October. Strat King said I didn't know that. Yeah, all the major crashes
Flash.
have happened in October.
Hmm.
You think about 2008 happened, or 2007, 2008 started in October. The 2019 when the tariff war shit started, Trump's first one, that was in October. You think about what is it, 1987, the Black Monday, that was in October. There was another one that happened in October as well. But yeah,
We try.
that's why people been saying buy XLP calls this week. I'm like, oh, you better hold up. Yeah, they've been changing the seasonality for sure. Yeah, seasonality
Aye.
has definitely changed since, I want to say, either 2020, well, about 2020, 2022. I feel like they have 100% switched seasonality up, because you used to get the pullbacks, say February, March, but now it's been April. April used to be bullish. And now it's like you run through the summer, and usually you used to get a pullback, somewhere around August, September, and nope.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay.
So they done do a little monkey wrench and all that. C Spill said I'm bullish too. Again, I said there was some bullish folks out there, man. They like, I'm gonna make it known I was bullish.
Facts. And
I I feel like the downturn of 22 threw it all out the window. Oil would run all winter. Now it's flat. Yeah, I mean, it's just there's a lot of I guess you could say the seasonality shit that just ain't been lining up or is it's changed. That's why I don't really pay no attention no more like that for real for real. Like I kind of look at it, but
There's nothing better than light price.
there you go. Like at the end of the day, and it's so funny because I was telling one of my homeboys, I'm like, bruh, all August and September, I was telling your ass the market was about to run. He didn't want to believe me. Now I'm
Mm.
like, bro, I think we can get a red October. He like, he won't believe me. I'm like, yo. I'm like, yo, for real, you confirmation.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Cause he don't, he ready to flip he ready to flip bullish. I'm like, bro, I was telling you that 2 months ago.
Facts. Future
Jay
VIX.
say it looks like there's some hedging at 6,700. The next 5 expirations, shit. Then it
Mm.
move up to 6760 on 10-8. Oh, you just talking about like tomorrow, the second, the third. Then it's the holiday. Then it's the weekend. Um, and then the 6th and the 7th. I got you. I see what you're saying, Jay. I got you. I got you.
Mm.
Trump will make it happen. Anything. Yep. This was the first year I didn't get the stock almanac. That shit probably was trash. Jay said, "Okay, yeah, yeah." I ain't even on front striking. I've been stopped using the almanac. Once I was like, this ain't working, bro. like Dre say, bro, ain't nothing better than live price, man.
Yes, sir. They're trying to play us. No, no. Mm. Man, we talked about oil last week. 65 is the wall, bro. That shit said no, not now.
Where oil at now? Let me go take a look.
Yeah.
Let's go pull this. I'm gonna pull it up. Let me go take a look. You got? I'll pull it up, Dre. I got you.
Mm.
I don't know, bro. Look at this. It's back down.
Yeah. So we hit 65 last week, Thursday or
Oh yeah,
Friday.
okay. Yeah, and then that joint just turned around.
Yeah. That shit is
Sheesh.
the wall, bro.
It is.
So once it gets above 65, that's when it's pop.
Even still, bro, I feel like it would really have to make it way above 70 almost.
Yeah. Well,
Now,
65, 70 is the level.
got it.
Yeah.
Uh what I will say is, hold on, let me see. You got any idea how Battlefield will do for EA next week?
No.
I'll be honest, bro. I don't even play video games, so I don't know. The almanac is something you read sitting on the toilet. XLE is acting funny for sure. It's just consolidating. I mean, if I pull up
Hmm.
XLE and then after XLE, I want to show y'all something else. But if I go pull up XLE and I'm gonna put it on the monthly, so if we look at it, bruh, it's been in this damn channel since June of 2022, bro.
Hmm.
And if you really look, this is a top from '08. It got above briefly in 2014, and then it's shit. It ain't. It just if I draw like a little white line or put a line here, it's hard to get above 93, bro.
Yeah.
And that's since 2022. Like we going on. That's 3 years of nothing.
There's
Now,
some energy bulls out there showing now right now. They're talking that shit. I hear it on Bloomberg. I'm like, yo, chill.
certain parts of energy, maybe.
Boy, yeah. Yeah.
Now this where you got to be a bull. Gold,
Gold. Yeah. No, that's different.
bro. Gold was up 10% in the month of September. Not
Hey.
only that, look at silver, bro.
Yeah.
Silver was up 15% in the month of September. Look at it. Now this thing about to have a hell of a breakout, bro.
Yeah.
Them metals is going crazy.
Pull up CGC.
Who?
CG. I think that's commodity. CG. No, not that. What's a commodity? CGS.
See, is it a company or it's like a
No, it's a ETF for commodities.
what'd you say? C, are you saying C like capital?
Yes.
What's
GC,
the
or it's probably GC, something in between.
mm,
Fuck. What's the commodity? Let me
I
Google
mean,
it.
I know you got like XME, that's the metals and mining ETF.
Yeah, I got you. I got you. Let me see.
All right, yeah, if you can find it. Well, let me while you finding that. Oh my god, look at XME though.
Yeah. So I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell
Jeez.
you. I'm gonna tell you. I just learned something this week.
Hey Carl, you see, I ain't damn why did people been sleeping on this ETF, or probably people haven't been sleeping on it because the shit been running. Look at that. Good God Almighty. That's the low. Man, it made a low in April or 45, and now it's up to 93. Mm. Metal's been cooking for sure. Is it 8? Oh, yep. So we got a new monthly candle on Bitcoin,
Hmm.
ETH, BNB. Oh, China market open.
Yeah,
I
it's 8
think,
o'clock.
or no,
Yeah.
they open nine, 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 nine. They open at 9:30. My bad, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad.
So it's
You found it?
think
Hmm.
I think so. GSI. It's, but that shit made no sense.
How about this? Do you know the name? Without the ticker, I could just type in the name.
Um, like what you mean by like the company? No,
Yeah,
I don't
like what's the
know.
name of the ETF, or who? Do you know who the provider is?
BlackRock.
BlackRock. Okay.
Yeah,
All right. So we're looking for the BlackRock, and it's a what? A metals ETF.
a commodity ETF. Yeah, like grains and stuff like
All
that.
right,
Yeah.
BlackRock commodities.
Point is that this stuff
Is it
went.
BCX?
Mm, That's
Nah,
some
this can't
from
be.
no, that's not it.
How about this? I know what I'm about to do. Google, my nigga. Google.
The thing is
BlackRock
that every time this happened in
commodity.
the past, like back history, I'm talking about 50-year plus, gold run first, silver comes
GSCI.
second.
This
There
what you
you go.
talking
That yes, 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 yes,
about.
yes, 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 yes.
GSCI.
There you go. There you go.
G. I think it's
Go
this.
back.
Nah, it's got
No,
to be this one, bro.
it's this one.
Nah, that ain't it.
No, no, no. It's
GSCI. All right, this
what's
say
that one?
iShares.
Yeah, check that one. There you go. You
This one.
started this before. Yes, Yes.
G
Yes. This one.
GSG. Okay.
Yeah, my
All right.
guy. These
All
shares
right. I
are.
got you. All right. We
Yeah.
found it.
Yeah.
Okay. What we looking for? What we trying to see here?
So when silver was looking like this, go back to silver tick or gold,
Yeah.
the ETF of gold.
SLV.
Yeah, let's do it.
You want me to go look at this one? So
Yeah, you see how that was there? Yeah, so you expect that same thing for that amount for commodities next year.
so GSG.
Right here. So we sitting here. Yeah,
Ah.
yeah. Free game, man. Not
So you looking
financial
for? So
advice.
you looking for like a big momentum breakout.
Oh, you're talking about a swing leap, bro. I'm talking about like 3 year type swing. Like,
I would have to grab some shares. I'd have
oh,
to grab
that
some
too.
shares.
You could do that too. You could do that.
Yeah, I'd
You
rather
could do
because I
that.
mean 23
But
bucks.
but the history
25.
behind it is gold goes,
Yeah.
then silver follow. And silver goes in a monstrous run. Like you don't people be like, yo, silver is the new gold. Like
Mm.
silver's not even there yet. So
Oh, it's not.
silver's
It's
get
not.
then you got palladium. You check the chart for palladium, that thing is going crazy.
PAL. I think it's like PALL. I'll just use this one for now.
Hmm.
That's probably not the
Right.
best one.
Yeah, well
Probably
that's
not the best one. Play. Here you go. Palladium futures.
there you go.
My bad. Hold on. No wonder why it looks so bad because I'm on a yearly thing. There you go. But I mean, it
There
look
you
like
go.
it's it got all. I
Right?
mean,
Yes.
it's got a
That's
lot
not
of.
a tick. Yeah. But in the future, that's the
Oh,
monthly. Put it in
he
the
said it's
weekly.
PL. My bad. It's PL. It's PL. It's PL. It's PL.
There
Well, no,
you
no,
go.
no, no. He's talking about platinum futures.
Yeah. That. Yes.
Yeah, platinum
Yeah.
is going
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then it's
Carl,
commodity.
100% silver to 100. I'm with you.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
metals go. But go ahead. My bad, Dre. What you say? But I mean, bro, all of it. How copper doing?
No. Copper not. It got
Copper not
running.
doing good.
The, yes.
It's
Now it's
doing
starting
okay.
to come back. Yeah.
It's doing okay. But I mean, to your point, these commodities, yeah,
Because we're gonna need those things to produce the way we want to produce
yeah,
eventually. So they're getting ready for that demand.
yeah. Damn, we shit could have took a short.
We dropping?
Did you
Hey,
take a short, Gary?
nah.
Whole time we was showing them commodities, the market dropping like a motherfucker, dog.
Hey, 100. Wow,
Yeah,
dang.
God. Hey.
There you go. What? No, not that one. 8 o'clock.
Yeah, that's 7 points for here. Let me go. Let me pull yours up. What you seeing on? Yeah, look at that dip, bro. That's the
Yeah, we
increase.
testing. Yeah. So we lose that Tuesday range
Mm-hmm.
and we drop it like crazy. Dang.
Shut
Dang.
down! Shut down! Shut down!
Here we go, guys. We
Yo,
might
oh
be
my
here.
God!
We might be here
Hey,
tonight, bro. So my
look,
level
Larry
for
said, "Yeah, I got
tomorrow.
short. I know you did get short, Larry."
Man, Larry. Damn, Larry. You could have let our brother know, bro. Damn.
I took my 50
Damn.
points to the bull side and flipped. I'm glad you did, brother. I was like, bro, bring this motherfucker down.
Mm.
Quadree in the
Damn.
chat, he say 7,200 end of year target. God, dog.
Man. That's the back center right there, boy.
7,200.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
mm, damn, man.
Hmm.
Bro, I feel like they about to give back that last 2 hours, that big run. I feel like they about to take all that back.
Yeah, it might do it dirty, bro. Hey.
If they do, that would be a nasty bull trap.
Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Damn, we lose that.
Dre, like, I don't know, we lose that.
Yeah, it's gonna get ugly, bro. This shit not stopping nowhere. This shit about to drive straight through.
Hold on, go ahead. Let me. All right, you got your chart. You said so. What's the level you feel like if we lose it, it's gonna get bad? Where we at?
No, no, no. I mean, we far right now. We're like 50 points higher.
But where is it? That is it? That dotted line right there. You touching
Yeah,
or no? That one right there.
yeah, yeah.
So it's at 765 ish.
Yeah, around there.
So you saying if we lose that,
Okay, nasty.
it could turn up.
Yeah.
Well, damn. So all right, Dre, peep this. I'm looking at the 1 hour, bro.
Mhm.
It done almost took back the damn them last 2 hours.
Yeah, we dropping. Yeah, we
Yeah,
dropping
like
already.
let
Yeah,
me
we
share my
down.
look. I'm looking at this the 1 hour on
We
the
down
NQ.
100 points.
Yeah,
So we got some. Damn, we were talking about commodity, bro. Talking bullshit, bro. Come on.
right.
Damn.
Strat King right now. So I'm looking at the 1 hour, but I think Dre is probably on like the 15 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dre on the 15 minute.
This is the 30 minutes chart,
Can you show him the
and
Can you
then
show him the 1 hour?
yeah,
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying, boy. We take that. That was that last 2 hour pump. And see, what I'm looking at too, Dre, is now that you're showing me this,
hmm
the after hours, soon as the market closed, the NQ damn near gave back that last hour.
yeah, almost. Yep, he did. Yep. Hmm.
Mm. Hmm.
So we lose the 6 a.m. opening price. Then we go to 760, and then no deal, bro. We might open at the market down 2% tomorrow, bro.
Hey, I would love that.
I'm telling you, bro.
I ain't even
We
gonna front.
already down.
Listen. I bought. I definitely. I ain't even gonna hold you. I bought my
Puts. Oh,
puts. I bought
you.
my puts at the close, bro. I was like, what? Yeah, what? I got. I'm in. I bought October 31st SPY and QQQ puts because I
I
just
mean, we ready because last week we were saying it looking like sell the rate type of shit.
we was getting close. We was getting close. We was getting
But
close, man.
this can't.
We
It
was
can't
getting
be
close.
that. It can't be that. Yo, that be
Hey,
some
Track
shit,
King,
bro.
call it what you want, bro. Front running. Hey, dog. At the end of the day, I that pump at the end of the day, I said, oh hell no. I wasn't buying it, bro. Let me go ahead and get some hedges, protect myself.
Mhm.
And on top of that, like, bro, I just gotta believe in my thesis. And I think we see a red October. So, you know.
Believe it, bro. It's coming. It's coming.
I
Well, I mean,
think we see a red October, you know. Hey, the one thing that can save me, Strat King, risk management. So
yeah.
even if I front run some shit, hey, that's what stops it for, my guy.
Mhm. Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Yep, that's my motto. Often early, rarely wrong. Hey, I
hmm
don't care what that pump was. It gave me opportunity to get some cheap puts. I know that.
Yeah.
Shoot, them puts was cheap, bro.
hmm
Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all. Let me go, goddamn. Let me go show
Oh yeah.
y'all. Go to Spy.
hmm
I think I showed y'all this before. Here we go. Now y'all can see that a little bit better.
Mm.
Yeah, I bought these right here. The end of October 640s.
Fire, bro.
Look at that, bro. Huh? They
Fire.
dropping?
Yes.
Yeah. So look at these puts, family. Like these shits is the they this the cheapest they've ever been. Like at the low, bruh.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? If I go to a 6 month, at one point in time, these bad boys was now I'm not expecting for them to go all the way back up to 37, but shit, catching these bad boys at 375, they get back to $10, $11. I'm happy with that.
Hey.
You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
And so, like Strat King was saying, keyword risk management, my risk is the lower Bollinger, which says, okay, they can go down $2 to 230. That's a $1.50. Shit, I'll average down right there.
Mm-hmm.
Add a few more. So yeah, man, I had to take that, bro. And again, government shutdown, NFP probably on Friday. The pattern has been that the very first day of the month, we've been selling off. August, we sold off. September, we sold off. Okay, cool. They pump it the first day of August, then maybe Thursday, Friday, it sell off. I got enough time to where if we get any type of retrace or pullback in October, I'm gonna be all right. I'm gonna be all
Mm-hmm.
right.
Facts. We, see, we hold
Did we
this
break that level
sustain.
yet, Drake? Come on down. Shit.
Nah, it's
I
holding.
love a gap down. If we gap down, I'm gonna have to shave
Let me
one or two.
let me see what where's previous they made that. Oh, damn. Oh, we lost that too. Shit.
What previous they made already?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Let me ask you this, Drake. Data
Yeah.
wise, is Tuesday a good high for the ES?
Yes. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
All right. So then the question would be: remember, the NQ made this high on Monday and didn't get up there today.
No. SNT.
So, but is that a good high for the week on
On NQ, yeah. Monday or
Mon-
Tuesday.
Monday? Is
Yeah.
good. Monday
Yeah.
good. Okay. Because my thing is Monday. The biggest thing about Monday, Dre, is it tested that Tuesday range you was looking for, and it got rejected.
Yeah. And we got on the premium. We were open up last week. So let me see. Last week we opened something we track. Where is it?
Mm.
Yeah. We open up here.
Mm-hmm.
Super send it. So this
Uh,
football was
this
last week.
this last week.
This
Okay.
is last week.
Mm-hmm.
So we came. We put the low on Thursday,
Mm-hmm.
and then we back TEIF. We got it on Friday, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this week we opened at the 50% on last week.
Mm-hmm.
We came
That was
to
Monday.
yeah Monday. We
Mm-hmm.
came to Tuesday range. We
Mm-hmm.
don't take that previous week high. We do not take it
Correct.
or previous monthly high,
Mm-hmm.
right? Which is the same.
Mm-hmm.
Now we pull it back. So lower high,
Mm-hmm.
potential lower high.
Mm-hmm.
We keep dropping.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
I like what you saying. That sounds really good.
Yeah,
You just you confirming what I saw, brother.
yeah. So if we don't take this high by tonight or tomorrow, yeah, and we take this low,
Mm-hmm.
more lows, more
More
lows,
lows coming. All
more
right.
lows coming.
Give me a shutdown.
Yeah,
Yeah, we came
this this
close.
this got me. This got me. This. I mean, I didn't see it.
Mm-hmm. You talking about like the
I was.
close?
Yeah, I was not expecting this, bro. Like I was talking to my one of my boys. I was telling him, well, this shit's playing out the way I'm thinking. Um, we might close down here. I'm talking about. I was talking about around 12 noon time,
Mm-hmm.
and then when I saw the chart at the close, I'm like, yo, what happened? I'm like, yo, what happened? They freaking got a deal or something? But I see they didn't, so I'm like, yeah, I don't know why we pumping. But now you said the close, the monthly close, all that shit. I'm like, all right, makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
Marketing, it just
yeah.
I look, man, I give the Bulls they credit, bro. They had a hell of a quarter. Man, they've had a hell of a run since the April lows. Let's put it that way. Like, if we really keeping it a buck, ever since them April lows, the Bulls just man
Eating, bro.
pound, pound, pound. And
Yeah.
I think they need a break, bro. Shit. Take a breather.
Shit. I mean, even Bitcoin took a break. Like, for God's
Right.
sake. God dang.
Like, damn.
Yeah, man.
Other people want to play.
Facts. Facts, bro.
Sheesh.
Yeah, I
Even if
haven't
it's
have.
just to get an entry.
Yeah. Ooh, my guy in the building.
Yes, sir. He said,
Yes,
"Yeah, we
sir.
came." He said, "Yeah, we came close to outside week, and it pulled back from doing it to the downside." Yes, sir. Carl's is in the building. He said, "Only level on the downside is 24,750. That's the level you talking about, Dre. Been there from last night. Same for top side. 25K has the most liquidity. Then 25,025, 25,050, and about 150 lots up there." Strat Soldier said, "I agree. The buyers have to keep buying, or we'll go to the lows, bruh. Buyers been going absolutely berserk, bruh. Buy, buy, buy. All they just keep their finger on the buy button. Buy, 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 buy." Quadree was good, man. Yeah, I think you're on mute, or we can't hear you.
Y'all hear me now?
Yeah, now we can hear you.
What it do? No, I'm selling gold right now.
You say you selling gold?
Yeah.
What made you sell gold?
My setup was at the top. I caught it
Ah,
late because I was driving, but my setup was we swept.
Hmm.
We swept that 7 o'clock hour.
Okay. I
Yeah.
got you.
I playing with fires, my guy. Sure it go.
Yo,
Yo,
Strat, you may say how he walk in late in a short.
Well, I seen it when I was driving, bro.
yeah, my name is Bloogity.
I seen it when I was
Oh,
driving.
man. He had to
Yo,
handle some
JFK the
family
worst, bro.
business. You said what happened?
JFK the worst.
Oh,
We take like 30 minutes to go 2 miles.
Where
how far is JFK from you, bro?
Ooh,
Without
fires.
traffic, 35
Ooh.
minutes. With
Oh, okay.
traffic, an hour and a half.
Okay.
Yeah, I heard what y'all was talking about. Yeah, so like I think the joint ready to go up, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
So what's ready to go up?
What?
I think the market just want to go up, like
Oh.
because like what you was talking about seasonality. Everybody know, now they push, it's pushing it back to October because they used to say October was Uptober. Now that was what they calling it.
What,
Like,
October?
yep.
Wow.
So they saying, I don't know where all these sayings come from, man.
I'm telling you, bro, it be just that's how they make it make sense in their head. You know, be
Yeah,
like, oh, okay, this is what worked for me.
but I definitely agree. They throwing seasonality out the window.
Gone like the wind.
Hmm. Because I felt like so when people was losing money in 21, when everybody lost money in 22, yeah,
Hmm.
that's when everybody was like, oh no, this ain't what happened to me again.
uh C Spill says speculations. Basically, I feel like all them sayings is just like I said, man, from people uh finding ways to rationalize what's going on and for it to make sense in their head. It came from floor traders back in the day. Yeah, yeah.
Mm,
Mm, that's a good one.
Either way,
that's
it's
dope.
just human. It for me, it's just human rationalizations, man.
Yeah.
When something, the market is very irrational. So when something happened that we don't understand, as human beings, we got to find a way to rationalize it. And so
Yeah, that's
that's how
true.
the hell you that's how you get all them selling May and go away. That's a damn lie.
They
It's more like buying May and stay.
stay where's the bomb?
That's what I call it. I say buying May and stay.
Facts. Damn, this shit.
Still pushing down, Dre?
So did
Mm,
the
I mean,
NQ?
what's
You
up?
said what?
No, what you said, bro?
No, I
What's
was gonna
that?
say did the NQ finish flat today? My portfolio was up when the market closed, but you know
Nigga,
how it.
no, they ain't finished flat. That shit pushed up.
Flat. No.
Yeah,
Oh.
Market finished green like a mug, boy.
I
Yeah.
just say wait, did that joint work then, Dre? I said 60% chance green then. I wanted to test that out.
Yeah. At first, it was looking real choppy. I was like,
Yeah,
bruh,
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
what is...
I
Yeah,
caught
end
the
of
Yeah.
the
shorts.
day.
Yeah, I caught the shorts this morning.
Yeah.
So I got short last night, actually.
Yo, yo, they did me dirty. They took me out
What?
last night.
Oh
I
yeah.
put it above a high. I went to sleep, bro. They whipped me out, and then we dropped. You know
Hey.
how.
Hmm. Yeah.
Stratford said, we got some new ones. A September to remember. That's facts. That's facts. It was damn sure. It damn sure was a September to remember.
Hell yeah. So I got short last night. Um, and I woke up with taking the lows, so my profit was extended
Yo, what time you got short? Because I was short since like 10:30 last.
20 and 20, 20, 20, 30. I think it was. Let me see. Last night was
You gotta move more to the right.
I got
Hmm?
short at this right here. 20 23.45.
Mm. I
Yeah.
had used the data and got short
20.
right after 9:30. I was just trying it out though. It wasn't like it was a big deal, but
God dang.
What we pushing?
Gold, yo, gold just went crazy.
Pushing
Bro.
up. You said what happened?
Gold just went crazy. Oh snap!
Man, let me look at the news, make sure they ain't got no deal.
Yeah, I don't see none.
Yeah, I don't see nothing either, but hmm. Mm, yeah, look like we mm,
Little push.
might be a little fakey fake. I don't know. I was waiting for you to get here, Carson. Do we have any data tonight?
Hmm.
I don't think we had none.
I think so.
I don't think so either. Except for that midnight news.
Well, actually, we just had news at E30.
Oh, that's probably what it was then.
Japan PMI.
Oh, there you go.
PMI. What day is today? Thursday? Today Tuesday?
Tomorrow Wednesday.
No.
Yeah, tomorrow we got non-farm employment.
I-15.
So I'm wondering
ISM.
if the government shut down, do we get private payroll tomorrow? Because I know if they shut down, it's a chance we can't get Friday's data. But I wonder if that's the same for private. Anybody in the chat know that?
It said yes, the ADP payroll numbers will still be released if the government is closed. This is because the ADP National Employment Report is issued by a private company, is not dependent on federal funding or government operations.
All right, bet. And we still get ISM data too then.
Yeah, yep.
Hey.
ADP is by ADP, the payroll company, so that should come. Okay.
Hmm.
It's a bet. Breaking news: no more fat cross dressing military generals. Go out.
Yeah, man, that they say follow price, man. You gotta follow price, boy, because like you said, you were about puts in the beginning of the month.
No bueno, bruh.
Shit.
No bueno.
You gotta laugh.
I mean, like we talked about, bruh. every every excuse a seller was looking for, that shit was getting ran over.
Shout out to everybody on the right side of the market.
Like I was saying, before you got in, Quadree. Options wise, I did lovely.
Mhm.
So, only thing I'm
You know,
on.
account was looking good, shares was looking good. If I can replicate that.
The future side.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I did well on both ends this month. Probably had like had that day last week, but other than that, I did well. It was good. Good September.
Hi, well, now that you're here, what's your thoughts on the quarter, upcoming quarter?
Mhm.
Me and Dre already kind of talked about it.
Um,
You said
I think,
7,200 in the chat, so you up your target.
yeah, because yeah, I think we'll get a small pullback wherever you want to consider that, maybe 3%.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think we'll get it all at once, but if we do get it all at once,
Better
it's
buy.
getting bought up, and we've been buying up every close we buy up at the end. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna say high, yeah, something 7,200. We get a small pullback. Well, I mean, just call it small. We get a little whatever pullback there is, and we gonna rip. We gonna rip, man.
Melt up, baby.
We shoot. I think that's where the melt tub will come, and then we should start getting concerned.
Shit, I don't, man. Yeah, I would say, yeah. At that point, yeah, you got to be a little concerned, but
Cause like I'm glad I stayed in MicroStrategy. You see crypto,
mm-hmm.
so crypto found his legs a little bit, which is risk on.
I think you still got time for MSTR though.
Oh no, I'm in it.
Mm-hmm. No, I'm just saying for anybody that's not in it
Oh
though,
yeah, that's
it ain't
not in
really,
it.
it ain't really went nowhere.
You better go get it. I even put a
Mhm.
little predictive bet on in Robinhood. I predicted it's gonna be over 130.
What, Bitcoin?
Yeah, you could the predicted markets. I'm like, might as well, bro.
Might as well, right?
But yeah, I think we're gonna finish a lot higher than everybody expected. I think they're gonna let it rip. We formed a nice momentum indicator that we be showing that we got from Irite. We're showing a lot of like accumulation, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm a bull to otherwise. Nothing should shows me unless we drop 5%, something break all them levels. Dre was pointing out certain levels. Um, really, if we break September mid, and we break it and actually close below it, then I'll be worried. But
But bro, I would say even that's still like acceptable.
I know we go.
like like even if you go down that far, like that's like to really be worried, bro, we gotta go really far down.
Let me get the weekly levels.
Like on some real stuff, bro. I wouldn't even be like I wouldn't. I gotta be honest. I wouldn't start to be really, really concerned until if unless I saw the market close under like 5,900.
Hmm.
That's what I'm saying though. Like it's gotta go really, really far.
That's a 200 day.
What?
5,900.
Yeah, 6,000, 5,900 area.
Oh, that's where that. Oh, see, they're perfect, right? That aligns perfect.
Right
Like,
now on the XPX, the 200 day moving average is 6,021.
Mhm.
Got it. Yeah. Unless we down there and we significant, and then we gotta, and not only that, we gotta like keep closing under that,
I
and then
take
I
it
want to.
down to the beginning of June. Take it down to the second quarter beginning.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like you gotta, yeah. Sellers got a lot of work to do, bro.
Hell yeah.
But I don't. But then, like I don't think a lot of people want to sell because people who missed the run want to catch it in the fourth quarter. They have a strong
Mhm.
year.
Yeah.
I just hope we don't have no 2018. That's all.
Oof. We
Let
were
this-
talking about that today.
What 2018? I'm gonna tell you, bro. I think that's the one scenario not a lot of people are pricing in.
Mm-mm.
I think I like from my
And
understanding and from what I see from consensus is I'd say the majority definitely is like, oh yeah, we're gonna rally this fourth quarter. I don't actually, to be honest, I haven't seen a single person that thinks we're not gonna rally in the fourth quarter.
hmm,
That right there is
I don't
one
like
of
it.
those ones, right? Like that'd be that shit that be having me like, oh man, I'm not gonna fade to hurry yet, but it's definitely a scenario that I know not a lot of people have priced in or even consider is some 2018 shit and fourth quarter don't be what it's supposed to be. And
Mm,
like we was just talking about earlier, how perfect would that be? Because that would totally flip seasonality on its head.
hell yeah.
You not telling me, man. Last December they did that. December 18th. I ain't forgetting that date.
So
Hmm.
Strike King said, to be honest, that may be the surprise. No rally. It could listen. And then, like I said, Strike King, like most people aren't aware of the a lot. I won't say most, but I'll say there have been a couple of major crashes that have begun in October. Like that's when the market peaked.
You're right.
So you got everybody,
Pulled up.
you got a lot of market participants, you know,
Yeah.
kind of like, yeah, we definitely gonna rally fourth quarter. I mean, I want us to. Don't get me wrong. That's why October needs to fucking pull back. Because if October gas, I'm
Mm.
100%. I probably will flip and be like, yo, we're not going like November, December.
All right,
I'm
if we
selling,
get
bro.
another 2-3% in October, I'm gonna start shaving some positions for real.
Like, yo, like
Yeah,
if October go green,
like
something
that.
ain't right, bro. Nah, buddy.
So I'm gonna be on the sidelines waiting. I'll take 2 months off the market just to protect me. Yeah, like that.
Yo, no bull. Like,
Like, bro,
no
nah.
bull. So to say, a Santa
Santa
crash.
crash.
Nigga, I don't know about a Santa crash, but he gonna be bringing
Well,
coal.
I say this. Last year, Santa definitely brought rock. I mean, was it Cole?
Oh yeah,
Coal,
it was
yeah.
it
Santa
was
gonna be bringing
nasty.
coal this year.
Shoot, he do it again.
Why do you say you guys working with any prop firms? We use prop
Yeah,
firms,
we use
but we
prop.
don't work with
Yeah.
them.
Nah,
Yeah.
but yeah,
But
man.
nah, like we were saying though, I really and I journaled that too, where I'm like, bro, I don't see nobody talking about
Poop.
a fourth quarter where it's you know where some shit surprise.
Let's see.
And if we listen to all the CEO comments, fourth quarter is when we supposed to really see that uptick in inflation. That's when we really supposed to see the tariff impact. So we gonna see. YD said, which one you working with? What I think I know Quadree uses my funded futures.
Yep.
I know. I like Top Step. Dre, who you prefer?
Apex.
Apex. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So, yep. There you go, Waddy. Uh, all right, Shrek King. Appreciate you for tapping in, brother. I'll catch you on Twitter, and then I'll catch you on Saturday.
Yeah.
Everybody want to buy December spy calls and lay back. Absolutely, Strat King. I don't even. I'm gonna have to.
Yeah. Straps. 9 o'clock coming up.
Yeah, they're. How much? Much longer we gonna? You want to stay until about what 9:30 or what? Because this action is terrible. Actually, it's not that bad. It's just
We just missed it.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. We were looking at commodities.
Yeah, missed it. Hey.
We still going down though. I will say that. Let's see what happened at 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Man, I'm telling you, hey, I'm gonna text y'all at midnight, bro.
Mm.
The shutdown. Let's see what pops on.
Bro,
Where?
Huh?
I'll be up too, probably.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I kind of want kind of long gold overnight, bro. I'm gonna wait though.
So you want to go long gold?
Yeah, overnight.
I thought you were shorting it.
Oh, I gotta stop out that trade.
Oh,
That
man.
we got 840.
It's coming back down now, bro.
Nah, so let me see something.
Stogie P say, "What up, fellas? Hopefully this goes to yesterday's lows." Bruh, hopefully this go to last week lows, my ninja. Fuck all that. I don't fuck yesterday lows. I want last week lows. Bring that thing down to goddamn 65.50. All right, here we go, Dre. 9 o'clock. What we gonna get? What we gonna get? What we gonna get?
Man, let's see.
I'm gonna tell you, bro. The ES already, the ES. Whew.
Looking sus.
Yeah, man. Looking real suspect.
Let's see.
And then you got, then you got your usual suspects, the YN and RPY.
Facts.
There you go. Come on down, gold.
Yeah, it's dropping.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Playing around with it.
Dang.
Wow.
I would have got long here, but I ain't trying this shit, bro. I ain't playing around. Nah. Yeah, because I don't know. They shut down shit. I had to wait.
That's why I'm like,
Yeah.
That's why, like I keep saying, bro, I'm waiting till midnight.
Yeah, exactly.
Because I know that's when this shutdown stuff is, it'll either be official. I mean, it's kind of already official from what we read or what the news is saying. But at midnight we gonna know. And I ain't trying to get no last minute deal out of nowhere, and then that shit just
Take
snap.
off.
Huh?
Yeah, take off to the races.
Right. Go get me. Track he said he's tagged me in the tweet. Let me take a look. Uh-oh. My daughter acting up there. I heard her mama. Stop. Oh my God. I can hear him. Dre, your daughters be arguing yet? Like they argue with each other a little bit?
Every day, bro.
Yo, we kind of get into that stage now, man. That shit is starting to tick
Bro.
me off, bro.
Yeah, bro. And they be fighting, bro.
Yeah,
Legit,
man.
legit.
They was about to get into it today. I
Yeah.
had to step in.
Yeah, man.
It'd be my youngest. She be bothering her sister. So.
Yeah. So my youngin, my oldest, she's short fumes. She's short. Like she got no patience, bro. She get mad real quick.
How many years is your girls apart? How many years they apart?
1.5.
Oh, so they close like ours too. Then,
yeah.
Yeah.
Right there with
the older one ain't got but so much size on the other one.
Yeah. So crazy, bro.
Oh, I see it now, Strike King. So, yeah, man. It say government will shut down after midnight as Congress fails to pass funding bills.
That ever happened before? When was that? 19, right?
Yeah, I think that was the last one. But they only be lasting like a day, yo.
A couple of days, yeah.
But how did the market react? Remember? Or no?
Yeah, you get a dip, and then usually once it's resolved, that's it.
Imagine we get sick with breaking dip. I buy that shit quick. Long.
He say 2019 was the longest here. How long was that shutdown? Strike King, do you remember? How long was that one? And shit, clearly that was during. I think that was during Trump too. Oh, I got one for y'all. Would you rather be given $1 million or have 10 carries in an NFL game to gain 5 yards for 10 million?
I got the Ravens office line. I ain't getting nothing.
Yeah, it's funny you say that because the running back in this picture is Derrick Henry. So you gonna take the million, or you gonna get the 10 carries? And look, you get 10 carries. All you gotta get is 5 yards.
Yeah, bro. Then you saw Tyreek Hill last night. Your leg snapped in one leg. Listen, I'm taking the million for safety, boy. I need my ligaments. I can flip that million, boy. That's all I need, to be honest. I'll take the million.
I did see that Tyreek injury. That shit was gruesome.
Bro.
Terrible. Peace out.
That shit looked bad. That shit was bad.
That 5 yards look easy, but nah, we got Fred Warner in that middle linebacker spot. Ooh,
you ain't playing though. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm gonna take the million too. Fuck that.
Especially our body's not even built like that. Like they in the gym every day. Like, nah.
That's all. Now, if I was still young in college,
that's different.
When I was playing ball and shit, I probably would try.
That's for sure.
on 10 carries, you tell me all I gotta get is a half a yard per carry.
Yeah, bro. I'll take that. But now, bro, they work out every day. I'm good. They get paid to work out.
Right. YD say the most significant shutdown included a 35-day shutdown 2018-2019 during the first Donald Trump administration caused by a dispute over expanding barriers on the U.S. And Mexico border. Damn, 35 days? I don't remember that. I don't, damn, 35 days? That's a long time.
That whole month. Yeah. Whole month. Shit, 35 days, a long time.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't remember that one.
It's about to be nasty.
But people just during that shutdown period, S&P rose by 10.3% from start to end of the shutdown.
Yeah, I mean, they say government shutdowns don't really cause like big downturns. So, but once again, we in different times, man.
Facts.
We in different times, bro. Hold on, let me see. Strat King sent me a DM. I got you, brother. Shutdowns rarely cause big market drops. The S&P and NASDAQ usually dip about 0.3 to 0.7 in the first day or two. The impact is short-lived. Stocks generally rebound strongly within days as the Fed's pivot, showing the shutdown isn't a major market driver. Yeah. Rallies are also common. NASDAQ may be more volatile. Overall reaction is typically muted and temporary. Market with bigger market forces driving the direction, market usually stays resilient. Yeah, I would say I don't really think this shutdown going to be a big deal. I think what's going to be the bigger deal. I think what's going to be a bigger deal is the no data on Friday. If we don't get the NFP data on Friday,
yeah, that's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, I don't know how the market gonna respond to that one. I don't think they're gonna like that one too much.
They like that NFP shit.
Huh?
They like that data. The market likes NFP.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the news is gonna be hot tomorrow, bro. Shit.
He said, Strike King said, and you made a key point. The CEO said this quarter we will see effects of tariffs. Yeah, man. If you been paying attention to those calls, this was the quarter where we were really it was said that we would start to really see the impacts from tariffs and stuff like that. So it'll probably be at the forefront of many earnings this month. Yeah, buddy. It's gonna be an interesting month, man. It's gonna be a very, very, very interesting month, y'all. That's for dang gone
Let me
sure.
check volatility. I haven't checked volatility.
Yeah. Yeah, I might have to go upstairs and help wifey out, bro.
Yes, sir.
No, I mean, we can stay on. I'll stay on a little bit longer, but I can definitely hear them giving her hell, there, boy.
Mm.
Dre, we break that? Oh no, that's the key level. We almost did we break it yet?
Yeah, we under. Well, not the.
Not that one main line one, but
No,
we under
not
the
that one.
6
But
a.m. open though.
yeah, we are. Shit.
Yo, honestly, I want on NQ I was short to the low, but
Yeah,
You said you were
this
short
one, yeah.
two.
yeah, short it down to like 24,722 overnight. That's why I'm
Very funny. Nah, man. I will say this. When it come to me, man, they softies, bro. All I gotta do is raise my voice and they tremble.
Right. Same thing, bro. Here, I
But
can't even
mommy,
talk.
boy, they be running all over her. But yeah, Dre, all I gotta do is raise my voice. They be scared as
Yeah,
hell.
same.
I'm like, them little tears don't ain't gonna do nothing to me. Yeah, better act
Yeah,
right.
bro.
Better act right.
We beat the Yankees, bro. Let's go, bro.
it's only one game, bro. Don't do that.
Let's go,
Oh,
baby.
I can't believe, bro, Dre. I really can't believe you a Boston fan, bro.
Yeah, like
All day.
you were like, why would you like them? You was so disrespectful.
Right, and he's closer to New York. Like,
Yeah,
I
like
mean,
you.
I'm running. You know, I'm running
he
for
like
the
he like the Patriots. He like the Red Sox.
Yeah,
So
like,
you
you
might
like
as well just go ahead and say you like the Celtics too, then, huh?
No, don't do that.
that don't make sense,
Nah.
man.
It
Don't
only
do that.
makes sense.
It don't make sense, bro.
Don't
Nah.
do that.
Don't do that.
No.
Don't do that, bro.
Yes, sir.
You a Celtic fan at heart.
Right.
Nah. No way.
Yes, you are, man. In no way in the world.
You know, I like to go against T.
Go against the grain a little bit.
Yeah. So my father, he was a big Yankee fan. Big time, bro. So I'm like, nope. I gotta go against him.
Why?
Yeah. That's how it goes, bro.
He said, "That's how it
Shit. Hey, man.
Shit, that's why I became. I mean, low key, that's why I'm a Steelers fan.
Because your pops?
I remember the first
Yeah.
Super Bowl I could really recall watching was, I want to say, I think it was the '95 Super Bowl when the Steelers played the Cowboys. Because the quarterback for the Steelers was O'Donnell, I think it was Neil O'Donnell.
Damn.
Or Neil, yeah, it was something. Let me see. I think it was I'm pretty sure it was the '95 Super Bowl.
Damn.
And ever since then, I was hooked.
Wow. Yeah.
Was hooked, bro.
That's it. Yeah. Ooh.
JP Morgan, they got smoked on the
Earn? On what?
when they JPM the collar trade.
Hmm.
The new one now is 69.55.
And 6,200 to the downside.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, Black Swan. Yep, that's when they had the bus. Yep, the bus was a beast. Yep. And then I can't think of who was And then fuck, they had a dude on defense. I forgot. Oh my god, bro. Oh, I can't think of his name, bro. It wasn't Joey Porter. It was somebody else who was he was a beast. I want to say he was like an outside linebacker, black dude, mean as a mug on their squad too. You know, they all still has always got good linebackers, but damn, I can't think of what his name was. I think we also that's this also too. I think we had Rod Woodson back in '95 on defense. We had the squad, man. I mean, we made it to the Super Bowl. Shit. Nah, it wasn't. It's not James Harrison. I'm thinking back in the day, Larry. Damn, I cannot think of dude's name, bro. And I feel like I could picture his face. Let me see. I'm gonna see if I can find if I can famous Steeler linebackers. Nah, it ain't Mean Joe Green. That's way back in the day. The bus was the running back at the time, Larry. The bus was our running back at that time. It might have been. It might. Yo, you know who I might? It might be Greg Lloyd. Yo, I think that's what
Brett,
I'm
what?
thinking about.
Hmm.
That's Greg Lloyd. I think that's who it was. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. Greg Lloyd. Because he was number 95. Yep, that's him. Greg Lloyd. Yep. Yeah, that's who I was thinking about. Damn, he was a beast, bro.
Yeah, nah, I was not even watching that, bro. I was not in the states. Yeah,
You still in the DR,
yeah,
bro?
hell yeah, yes sir.
Come on, man, bring this shit down, bro. Stop playing.
All right, my paper long. Gold and short.
Hmm.
It's short NQ for overnight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, gold's still popping, bro. That shit just will not stop.
Yeah.
Hmm?
And we must that short, bro, man.
I
Talk
know,
about.
man. I'm tight, bro. Because and that was a good one. It would have been a nice little whoop.
Mm-hmm. Tight, bro. Dang.
How
Talk
many
about
points
him.
was that hourly candle, Drake, for the on the NQ?
That was 8 o'clock. Oh,
Mm-hmm. That would have been what? You definitely would have had 15 for sure.
yeah, that was almost 50 points. Yeah, 52 points candle. Hour.
Hmm.
Yeah. Damn.
Man.
Yes.
Well, look, fellas, y'all want to wrap this up, man?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Wrap this
pretty much
up.
good for the day.
Yeah,
Ain't
tomorrow
much
gonna
popping
be.
off. Yeah, so we'll be back tomorrow, same time, 7:15, and it'll be after the first trading day. So we'll see what happens with this government
Yeah.
shutdown and all this good stuff. We'll have some updates. So yeah, man. Until tomorrow, people. Y'all have a good evening. Remember, 12 o'clock. That's when it's coming.
The dot, the dot. Yep.
12 o'clock. That's when the
Yes,
shutdown is
sir.
official. So but yeah, man. With that said, man, we'll catch y'all tomorrow, people.
All right.
Peace, peace, peace.
Later.